Wake up bright and start your day off right. So we have a sunrise alarm clock moon lamp. This is what it looks like. So really nice in appearance. It does look like a moon. Look at the craters up close. Right here, it does come with the cord. You charge it here. And then up here, you can see these are the buttons. So there's a snooze button, a light button, a 1 hour, 2 hour snooze button, and then this is the light. An instruction manual on how to operate it and care for it. All right, so we're kind of in a semi-dark bathroom, and when you plug it in, you can see it lights up right here. Click this button to power on your moon. I'm going to shut the door so it's completely dark in here. And look at that. So cool. There's a button on here that you can click. So that button adjusts how bright you want the moon to go. And that's kind of a dimming mode. This arrow right here, you press it and the moon rotates. How cool is that? Do you see the moon rotating? You can see right here, this is alarm. And then right here is how you set the timer. Change the color by clicking this button right here. That's like an orange moon. Ooh, red moon. A yellow-green moon. Ooh, bright green. Blue. I like that blue. So good for a bedroom, a bathroom, a guest room. Notice it has sounds. So I click this button and it has like a rainforest sound. It's like ocean waves, water, fire, rainforest, thunderstorms.
I do want to point out that the instruction manual has detailed instructions on how to operate the alarm. These are the key functions in operation.